I'm graciously joined today by Thomas Scott to talk a little bit more about how Alithya and Oracle Cloud ERP enable operational processes when it comes to finance.
I have been helping implement ERP systems for about 15 years. I started right out of college in healthcare finance and have really enjoyed getting to see the evolution of technology in the last 15 years, from kind of simple ERP systems all the way up to the cloud that we deal with today, and getting to work with the end users who are working with the transactions in the system, all the way up to our executive teams that are making the decisions with the data.
Yeah, and I think you bring a very unique perspective through the comprehensive experience that you have across different on-prem ERP solutions and now working in the cloud over the past 7 or 8 years. Through that experience, what does operational finance look like in Oracle ERP today?
Yeah, great question. It's really breaking down the walls between the data and the finance teams that are making the decisions and business owners that are also making the decisions. It is tying the different areas together, so order to cash, procure to pay, our expenses, and revolutionizing the user experience from end users like myself of the system with expenses, and how we can email them directly in, have them create an expense report. We can leverage AI bots now that support that as well and further enhance that user experience, and AI tools that are also supporting the workflow that our AP teams are taking with invoices, so helping them streamline and have a more efficient process there. So across the board, really, the evolution has helped make the process and the day-to-day for our teams that are using the systems a better day.
Once these organizations are up and running, like they have access to the out-of-the-box reporting, the out-of-the-box KPI analytics, like there's a journey to get there. And how would you say that Alithya supports clients in bridging the gap between these operational processes and reimagining them in Oracle ERP?
Great question. Our structured but flexible approach helps teams really identify what we need to get done, what from a design and an implementation perspective brings the key stakeholders to the table that will help maintain the system, that will use the system, and that will use the data from the system. So we meet teams where they're at to design, and then we help them achieve a better ROI from that investment through that approach.